Welcome to the Atlassian Advantage podcast series. Here is our next episode, Hosting in the Cloud with Atlassian.
Hi, everyone. I'd like to thank you all for joining us again today for our latest podcast featuring private cloud hosting with the Atlassian Suite. This is Sean O'Sullivan, the sales director of the Atlassian team at Carahsoft, and I'm joined today by principal consultant at Precipio Consulting, Amanda Babb. Amanda, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Sean. I'm very excited to be here. This is my first ever podcast that I'm recording, although I'm a huge fan of y'all's podcasts and listen religiously. So glad to be here.
Awesome. Well, we're excited to have you here. So, Amanda, Carahsoft receives a lot of questions when it comes to Atlassian cloud migration and hosting. So I'm really excited to talk to you today about how Precipio's hosting services deliver server and data center editions of Atlassian software suite hosted by Cumulus Cloud. So let's get started with my first question here. Let's be clear, right? What is Cumulus Cloud and what are the benefits it brings as a hosting solution?
Yeah, absolutely. So Cumulus was the brainchild of my friend and colleague, Michael Kelly. And he developed the platform in 2014. And essentially, it's a hosting platform that optimizes the actual infrastructure solutions for the Atlassian products. We try not to host anything other than the Atlassian products, unless, of course, there is a specific need from a customer in terms of additional infrastructure. So in terms of performance, what you get is you get all of the benefits and flexibility of a server or data center Atlassian product without having to manage the infrastructure yourselves. We take all of that on for you. We have specific performance tuning, network infrastructure, all of those kinds of things to make them fully stable and performant and available for you so that you don't have to, quote, bother with it, unquote, but you still have the flexibility of the server and data center Atlassian products.
Sure. Okay. So then we know, Amanda, that there are other folks out there, right, that can provide hosted solutions for Atlassian. So what's differentiating Cumulus Cloud from those other solutions?